Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's not often discussed, but so incredibly important. How to deal with postpartum depression, or PPD. Having a baby is a huge life change, and while it can be filled with joy, it can also bring on some unexpected emotions. Postpartum depression is real, and it's okay to not feel okay. So, let's talk about what it is, how to recognize it, and most importantly, how to start healing. Let's dive in. First thing, postpartum depression, or PPD, is more than just the baby blues. It's not just about feeling a little sad or overwhelmed after childbirth. PPD is a clinical condition that affects many women, and it can include feelings of deep sadness, anxiety, hopelessness, and even guilt. It typically starts within the first few weeks after birth, but it can happen anytime in the first year. It's important to know that you're not alone, and this is not your fault. It's a medical condition that requires support and treatment. Signs and symptoms. Some common signs of postpartum depression include feeling persistently sad or hopeless, crying more than usual, feeling disconnected from your baby or others, difficulty bonding with your baby, anxiety or panic attacks, extreme fatigue or trouble sleeping, even when your baby is asleep, a lack of interest in things you used to enjoy, thoughts of harming yourself or your baby. If this is the case, please reach out to a healthcare provider immediately. These are just some of the symptoms, but remember, it can look different for everyone. The most important thing is that if you're experiencing any of these, it's okay to ask for help. Now let's talk about ways to cope and heal. Talk about it. First, reach out to someone you trust. Whether it's your partner, a friend, or a healthcare professional, talking about what you're going through can be incredibly relieving. If you feel comfortable, let others in your life know what you're experiencing. They can help support you through it. Seek professional help. You don't have to go through this alone. Therapy and counseling can be extremely helpful, and so can medication, depending on the severity of your symptoms. Don't be afraid to reach out to a doctor or therapist who specializes in postpartum mental health. Take care of yourself. Self-care is more than just bubble baths, though those are nice too. Make sure you're getting enough rest, eating well, and finding moments to relax. I know it's hard when you have a newborn, but even small breaks can help recharge your mind and body. Consider asking for help with the baby, whether it's a family member or a paid caregiver. Practice patience. Healing doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself, and remember that it's okay to not have everything figured out right away. Postpartum depression is something that takes time to heal from, and that's perfectly okay. I know this isn't an easy journey, but please remember you are not weak or inadequate for struggling with postpartum depression. You are strong for recognizing that something isn't right, and you are even stronger for seeking help. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it with anyone you think might need to hear this. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.